beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your lady, Ami. Yes, I'm here to tell you my experience on how I save my first $1,000 in a month. Yes, without sacrificing my phone. Yes, my leisure time, the things I love doing. Yes. So, join me as I take you on the challenge of saving $1,000 per month without giving up on the things that made me happy. Can I really do it? Yes, it's achievable. So let's dive into it in no distant time. Please make sure you follow me and you subscribe to my channel. Please try and watch this video to the end because the end part of it will mesmerize you. Yes. Saving money doesn't have to mean giving up on all the things that brings us joy. Can you see? If a lot of people keep depriving themselves of what they are or what they find happy in doing in order to save money, you can see that it will be like a excruciating pain saving up money, and this can discourage a lot of people from saving that money. What I understood before about saving money is that you need to cut ties with things that can make you spend more. Yes, so is the truth. But I can tell you that you might also combine the two and still save money. Do you know that you might do that? You might also combine these two and also save enough money for yourself, depending on your income. So, what happened is that before I used to deprive myself of going to gym. Yes, going out with my friends, eating out, because each time we go to one expensive hotel, we try to eat, flex, and enjoy ourselves. And at the end of the month, I will discover that I will be struggling with my transport fare to my place of work. Isn't it funny? And I will end up not saving a single cent for that month. So, what I did is I cut off with those friends trying to save up. I always give one excuse or the other each time you tell me you want to go out because I like spending my own. I don't like people footing my bills. Yes, in as long as I'm making that money, yeah, if we are going out, I would like to foot my bills. So I don't want embarrassment. So that is the reason why I don't follow them. I will give them excuse or I will tell them I don't feel like going out. But deep within me, I love moving out. I'm outgoing person. I'm not an introvert, but I'm forcing myself to be so in order to save up for better tomorrow. So this prompted me to go into a research where I researched about the possible way I can also save my money and also do the things that make me happy. Yes, without depriving myself of many things. So I jotted down from my research the things that I can do and still save money, enough money for the month. So I started practicing it with last month. So when I achieved it, I said, let me come and share my experience with everybody. I know that many people are finding it difficult or have already given up on saving. Yes, those that cannot discipline themselves. Yes, I know I have self-discipline. I can discipline myself a lot. That is why I cut ties with all my friends that always made me spend extravagantly. Yes, it's part of it, but you don't need to cut off all your friends because you still need them. Yes, you still need your friends. What of if something happened and you needed somebody to talk to, or somebody that you want to brainstorm advice with and everything? You see that if you keep on living life of in isolation, you will not get help when you needed it. Because when you always be on yourself, one day you begin to think otherwise and it can lead to depression. Yes. So anytime you share up, you measure up with people, they will share their own experiences, which will moderate your own too. You will know that what you are passing through, someone else somewhere is also passing through the same thing. But what did I do? Stay tuned because you will know the wonderful thing. It's easy, oh, it's very easy to do, that I did and still save up more than what I have been saving when I even cut ties with my friends. The first thing I did the first week I received my salary is I did investigation on those places that I can go out to and they are free, like government museum, where they don't even take any money from anybody to come and have fun. Yes, like amusement park owned by government, not the one owned by individual that you have to pay exorbitant amount to enter. Yes, I discovered it. I discovered again where I can register for gym. Yes, they see it as a club. They don't collect money from anybody. You come there, you register with them, and they don't have much equipment though. Yes, but the ones they have, I am making use of it and I love it. Yes, I stick to what I have. I went through my phone. Funny enough, there are different apps that I subscribe to, which I never touched since 6 months ago. But I am paying for this app. Every month they are removing their subscription from me. You know, when you are scrolling, you will see, this app will make you to do like this, to be like this. You will just subscribe and give a free trial. And after that free trial, they will begin to remove money from you. So I discover all those ones and I unsubscribe to all those irrelevant apps and even deleted them from my phone and free my phones. Yes, that is what I did, thereby cutting wastages, excess spending. Yes. So the other thing that I did is, instead of me eating out, eating in my canteen, in the place of work, yes, buying food outside, I decided to go for shopping. I went for shopping and I got everything I needed in the market at the cheaper rates. Yes, I bought things in bulk, store in my fridge. So very early in the morning, I wake up from my sleep, prepare my breakfast and also the lunch. I eat my breakfast before I go to work. So my lunch, I pack it in the lunch box. So this is what I keep doing every blessed day. And during weekends, if my friends say, okay, we want to go out and all this, to go and see the beach and all this, I will just suggest all those places that doesn't take much, that you cannot spend more money to We'll go and have fun there and everything. And instead of going to cinema, we devise a way of visiting each other and watch television. Do it as if we are in a cinematic environment, and it is a lot of fun, and many people have joined us in this. Yes. And instead of us to go to gym where they are paying exorbitant amount to go and do some exercises, I taught them some aerobics that they can also do in the morning each time they woke up from sleep. Yes. And I taught them yoga, those things that I browsed and made my research and see that I can even do my exercises without going to gym, like running down the staircase and going up, running and going up. Before I know it, I used to shed like 1 kg when I finish running down the staircase and running up and down on the staircase. Isn't it amazing? And they joined me, and we are having fun. So you can see, I maintain having those things that gives me happy. I didn't cut off ties with my friends again, the new friends I made. Instead, I helped to rewire their mindset on saving while having fun. And at the end of the month, I asked them, how much have you saved this month? One told me I've saved $500. The other one told me he has saved $200 and so on. Those that normally on a normal day, they don't even care about it. They don't even mind. They can spend lavishly. But gradually, I modify their lifestyle and also my own lifestyle as well. I changed everything. I turned the game around. And I'm so happy that I was able to save $1,000 per month. Isn't it amazing? It is, right? And all of them were so grateful. They were so happy with me. Number one, I became healthier because all those yoga that I used to do and the aerobics have helped me a lot in my health. Yes. Also, I saved up. I even saved more than I have ever saved since I started working. Yes, it depends on how much you are collecting. And I eat healthily because sometimes you don't know how those bookers or those people you are buying food from prepare the food and the things they use. If you are cooking, you will make sure you cook healthy, balanced diets. And I don't even patronize hospitals anymore. My doctor keep asking me, when am I coming for checkup? And when I did, he was amazed and told me that anything that I'm doing to have this type of robust health, I should keep on doing it. You can see that a change in my lifestyle has not only helped me save up my money, but it helped my general well-being. It turned everything around. So, my beautiful people, what are you going to do today? The only thing you need to do is to discover your lifestyle. Think about how you will reform it, incorporating your leisure time and your daily lifestyle. Yes, and also spend carefully. Moderate the way you spend. Think aright. Always buy the things that are that you need. The need, not want. Don't impress anybody. Yes, don't impress anybody. Those are the things that are eating deep inside our pocket. And keep on thinking, pausing for like 10 to 15 minutes in each ad you come across that is telling you to buy something that in the next 24 hours, the price will not remain the same and all that. Just give yourself a space like 15 minutes and reflect on that thing you are about to buy. Is it worth it? Did I really need it? And you will see, you will save enormously. You will save a huge amount that you might never think that you will be able to save in a month. So, which saving strategy are you going to apply in your life today? Please do well to comment on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and share my video. Thank you for listening and remain blessed.